Changing the brake cartridge on the SawStop Jobsite saw is quick and easy. First, make sure the power is off and the saw is unplugged. Next, set the blade tilt to 0 degrees and raise the blade to full elevation. Raise the blade guard and remove the table insert. Rotate the blade guard clamp handle up to provide clearance and swing the rear blade shroud away from the cartridge. Rotate the brake cartridge key clockwise 90 degrees and remove it from the brake cartridge. Slide the brake cartridge off the 2 mounting pins. Install the new brake cartridge by reversing the process. Slide the new brake cartridge onto the 2 mounting pins until the brake cartridge is fully seated. Insert the brake cartridge key and rotate it counterclockwise 90 degrees to lock the brake cartridge in place. Swing the rear blade shroud toward the cartridge until it stops. Rotate the blade guard clamp handle down. Replace the table insert and lower the blade guard.